Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best gel no more is probably one of the most sought-after products for anyone looking to achieve a salon-quality gel manicure removal at home, and this Mini Mani Moo version promises convenience and effectiveness in a compact package, making it an exciting prospect for those who love to switch up their nail colors frequently or simply want to give their natural nails a break without the hassle of traditional soaking methods that can be time-consuming and potentially damaging. Number 5. JODSONE 15ml Gel Nail Polish Remover. Tired of long, messy gel polish removal? Introducing a revolutionary way to remove your gel polish quickly and easily. Say goodbye to soaking and wrapping. This innovative remover works without any of those tedious steps. Achieve a clean slate in just 3 to 5 minutes. It's the fastest and simplest way to get your nails ready for a new color. Our formula is designed to be effective yet gentle, ensuring your natural nails remain healthy and undamaged. Make your next manicure change a breeze. This is the ultimate solution for a quick and hassle-free gel polish removal experience. What we like? This product offers a rapid gel removal experience, typically within 3 to 5 minutes, without the need for soaking or wrapping. If you're looking for the quickest and most straightforward way to remove gel polish at home, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who value speed and convenience in their nail care routine. What people say. It is a great product that removes gel polish quickly and easily. The gel remover is gentle on the nails and cuticles. The mini size is perfect for travel. Number 4. Gel Nail Polish Remover. Tired of long soaking times for gel polish removal? Introducing a revolutionary way to remove your gel nails quickly and easily. Forget the hassle of soaking or wrapping your nails. Our innovative formula works fast to break down gel polish without any mess. Achieve professional results in minutes. This powerful remover dissolves gel polish in just 2 to 5 minutes, saving you time. Get salon-quality gel removal right in your own home. It's perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and salon professionals. Our kit includes everything you need for a seamless removal process. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. Experience a gentle yet highly effective way to remove gel polish. It leaves your nails clean and ready for your next manicure. What we like? Get your gel polish off in just 2 to 5 minutes, no soaking or wrapping required. This option comes with helpful removal tools, making the process even smoother. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a salon professional who appreciates a complete kit for easy gel removal, this is the one for you. What people say. This gel remover works great and is easy to use. It removes gel polish quickly and effectively, without damaging the natural nail. The formula is gentle and doesn't have a strong chemical smell. Number 3. Gel Nail Polish Remover 15ml. Tired of long, messy gel polish removal? Introducing a revolutionary way to take off your gel polish quickly and easily. Say goodbye to soaking and foils forever. This innovative remover works in just 2 to 5 minutes. You can achieve a clean slate without any tedious soaking or foil wraps. It's the fastest way to remove gel. Worried about damaging your natural nails? Our formula is designed to be gentle, ensuring your nails remain healthy and strong after removal. No more brittle or weakened nails. Using it is incredibly simple. Just apply it to your gel polish and watch it dissolve. It's perfect for both at-home manicures and professional salon use. Get that professional salon finish right in your own home. This solution provides a quick, effective, and damage-free gel removal experience every time. Achieve a clean and smooth nail surface in minutes. It's the ultimate solution for anyone who loves gel polish but hates the removal process. What we like? Experience a fast, no soak, no foil gel removal that's gentle on your natural nails. It effectively removes gel polish in just 2 to 5 minutes. If you're concerned about nail damage and want a quick, easy solution for at-home or salon use, this product prioritizes nail health while ensuring efficiency. What people say. This is a great product that works well. I love how easy it is to use and it removes gel polish effectively. The design is sleek and it fits perfectly in my nail kit. Number 2. GA&EN Metal Silver Cuticle Pusher and Scraper Set. Introducing a versatile set designed for comprehensive nail care. This package includes 2 essential tools, each equipped with multiple functional heads for pushing cuticles, scraping gel polish, and removing residue or hangnails. Crafted from durable, high-quality stainless steel, these tools are built to last. They are resistant to rust and can be easily sterilized with soap and water or alcohol for hygienic use. The ergonomically curved spoon head is designed to gently push back your cuticles without causing injury. Its thicker slope ensures a comfortable and safe experience. Easily and thoroughly remove gel polish with the sharp, thin triangular tip. The curved blade head is perfect for cleaning up residue along the cuticle line, ensuring a neat finish. Reach and remove dead skin under your nails with the specialized pointy head. It effectively cleanses the area for healthier-looking nails. Experience enhanced control with the anti-skid handle. Its ergonomic and non-slip design ensures a comfortable and secure grip, making them easy to hold and maneuver. Whether you're doing your nails at home or working in a professional salon, these tools are perfect for both. Achieve salon-quality results with ease. What we like. This is a professional-grade cuticle pusher and scraper tool set made from high-quality stainless steel. It features multiple functional heads and an anti-skid handle for precise control. If you're looking for a durable, versatile tool to complement your gel removal process, especially for detailed cuticle work and residue scraping, this set is ideal for both home and salon use. What people say. This gel remover is very effective and works quickly. The mini size is perfect for travel and easy to store. It removes gel polish without damaging the natural nail. Number 1. Beetles Gel Polish Remover Kit. Tired of struggling with gel polish removal? Introducing a revolutionary kit designed to make the process quick and easy. Say goodbye to tedious scraping and hello to smooth, clean nails. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a perfect gel polish removal. From specialized remover clips to essential tools like cuticle pushers and nail files, we've got you covered. Our formula is tough on gel polish but gentle on your nails and skin. Achieve professional results at home without causing damage or dryness. Your nails will feel refreshed and revitalized. No more messy cotton balls. This kit comes with a generous supply of lint-free nail wipes. They ensure a clean and efficient removal process, leaving no residue behind. Complete your nail care routine with the included cuticle oil. It helps to moisturize and protect your cuticles, promoting healthy nail growth. Enjoy healthier-looking nails after every use. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this kit is perfect for you. It simplifies the gel polish removal process, saving you time and effort. Get salon-quality results in minutes. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for gel polish removal, including lint-free wipes, remover clips, cuticle oil, a pusher, and a nail file. If you want a convenient, all-in-one solution that ensures a clean and effective gel removal process with all necessary accessories included, this value pack is perfect for you. What people say. This gel remover is very effective and easy to use. It removes gel polish quickly without damaging the nails. The formula is gentle and doesn't cause any irritation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.